How to Win Friends and Influence People. Welcome to Flow Books. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie is one of the most influential books on communication, leadership, and human relationships. First published in 1936, its timeless principles continue to help people build trust, strengthen relationships, and succeed in both their personal and professional lives. The book teaches that genuine interest in others is the foundation of lasting friendships and influence. Carnegie encourages readers to smile sincerely, remember people's names, listen attentively, and make others feel valued. These simple habits create positive connections and leave lasting impressions. One of the book's most important lessons is to avoid criticizing, condemning, or complaining. Instead of focusing on people's mistakes, Carnegie advises offering honest appreciation and encouragement. People are far more likely to respond positively when they feel respected and understood. The book also explains how to persuade others without creating conflict. Carnegie recommends seeing situations from the other person's point of view, asking questions instead of giving orders, and allowing others to feel that ideas are their own. By communicating with empathy and respect, disagreements can often be resolved peacefully. For leaders, Carnegie emphasizes the importance of inspiring rather than controlling people. Effective leaders praise improvement, admit their own mistakes, and motivate others through encouragement instead of fear. Building trust and confidence leads to stronger teamwork and greater success. Throughout the book, Carnegie reminds readers that influence is not about manipulation or authority. It comes from kindness, sincerity, respect, and the ability to understand human nature. Small acts of courtesy and genuine appreciation can transform relationships and open doors to new opportunities. The central message of How to Win Friends and Influence People is that success in life depends not only on knowledge or talent, but also on the ability to communicate effectively, build meaningful relationships, and treat others with empathy, respect, and genuine care. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more life-changing book summaries. Which lesson from How to Win Friends and Influence People will you apply in your daily life? Share your thoughts in the comments below.